Hi, hello friends. I welcome you all back to my channel Chop and Choose Kitchen at bakes.com, and today I am going to do prawns gravy, which will suitable for white rice. For plain rice you can take this, it will be very good. Like that itself you have to put this gravy, and you can serve this. Otherwise you can take in idlis or dosas or chapatis, it will be very good. So for that, the things I have taken, I'll show you. Just take a glance of this. I have taken cleaned prawns, 1 cup. I have cleaned this and devened it. And 1 cup of onions, finely sliced. I have taken 2 big onions here. 1 big tomato I took here. And I cut it into fine slices again. A few coriander leaves. 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. Few curry leaves. And salt for seasoning. I have taken garam masala, 1 tablespoon, and half a tablespoon of turmeric powder I have taken here, and I have taken chili powder here. So these are all the things needed for the prawns gravy. Now to start with this, we will take a kadai. Let the kadai be heated. Now I am going to add a little bit of oil into this. I took 5 tablespoons of oil. Now let this be heated, because we are going to add the mustard seeds first. This have to be splutter in the oil. So we will wait till the oil gets heated up. Now the oil is heated up. We will add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds here. Now to this, add 2 onions which I have cut here. Now while frying this up, we will add the curry leaves which I have taken here. This we should not fry till golden brown, only for 1 to 2 minutes. We got to sort this, and when the onions become glassy, you should stop. Now the onions have turned into glassy golden. So at this stage, I'm sorry dear, I forgot to take ginger garlic paste and coriander powder. So we got to add these 2 items also. Now first we will add the ginger garlic paste. 1 full tablespoon of ginger garlic paste I have taken. Now we will saute till the raw smell goes off from this. Now all the raw smell has gone. We will add a little bit of water to this. Only a little bit of water I am going to add in this. And to this, now I am going to add the prawns. Don't add tomatoes or other items or the ingredients. Add the prawns first. The smell has to go off. The raw smell of the prawns have to go off from this. For that we have to salt this in after the ginger garlic paste is added. Then only the raw smell will go off, and it will be nice to eat. Now for the full 1 minute I thought of this. The raw smell has gone. The prawns will not take much time to cook, so don't overcook the prawns, otherwise it will become like rubber, and it will be difficult for you to eat. It will lose its taste also. So after 1 minute of sauteing, I'll be adding the tomatoes I have taken here. 1 big tomato I took here. Now with this, let the tomatoes get softer. We will wait till that 1 minute. We will saute this tomato with the prawns. Now after 1 minute of sauteing, we will add all the masalas. We will add the turmeric powder first. A pinch of turmeric powder, chili powder, 2 tablespoons I have taken, small tablespoon. Add this in that. coriander powder you have to add. I forgot to say this. 2 small tablespoons of coriander powder I have taken. Add that too. And add the needed salt. I added 1 tablespoon of salt. You please check for the seasoning one time, and if you need more oil you can add. Now to this I added 1 more tablespoon of oil because it was too dry. So don't add water in this. The water in the prawns is enough to cook. So please don't add water. Now let this cook for 4 to 5 minutes. That is enough. And at last we are going to add the coriander leaves and the garam masala. We will cover this up first. After 3 to 4 minutes we will open and see in between. After 3 minutes I am removing this. Now that is more enough. I told you for 5 minutes it should cook, but that is more enough. Only 3 to 4 minutes I kept here. Now just add the coriander leaves on top of this and the garam masala which you have kept here. Switch off the flame. Now we will serve this. Just give a quick mix. Now I'll serve this in a plate. Now prawns gravy is ready. I'll top up some coriander leaves again with this. Now with hot rice, I'm going to serve this. This will be yummy. Please do try it at home. Like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, it's bye from Chop and Choose Kitchen at bakes.com. Have a nice day. Bye.